Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to move some money from your PayPal account to your Chase Bank account in 2025. This is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances more efficiently, whether you're a freelancer cashing in payments or just transferring funds for everyday use. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this quickly and without any hassle. First, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. Use your email and password to access it securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section, which is usually found in the top menu. Here, you'll find an option to link a bank account. Click on that to get started. Next, search for Chase Bank in the list of available banks. If it doesn't show up, you can manually enter your Chase account details, like your account number and routing number. PayPal will then prompt you to verify your bank account for security reasons. This might involve confirming a small test deposit or answering verification questions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Now that your Chase account is linked and verified, go back to your PayPal balance. Look for the Transfer Funds or Transfer to Bank option. Enter the amount you want to transfer, select your Chase account as the destination, and review all the details carefully to avoid any mistakes. Hit the Confirm button, and you're all set. The transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on the banks involved. Keep an eye on your Chase account for the funds to appear. A quick tip: always check for any transfer fees from PayPal or your bank, and make sure your accounts are protected with strong passwords. That's it for this tutorial. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.